Hello, you're on a SetAnet channel. In this review I will show you how to set a proxy if you're working with cURL. Open the console and issue the following commands. Then press Enter. From the list that appears, find the option shown on your screen. As you can see, this option allows you to set your proxy details. Enter your proxy information in the following format. If you have free proxies, then remove the login and password values in front of the @ and leave only the APN port. There are several options for setting a proxy. You can see them on your screen, so you can use any of them. When all the data has been entered, press Enter. Don't forget that in the same command you specify for which resource to use the proxy. The proxy is set, and now you can use it with cURL. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Click like, subscribe to the channel, and good luck!